Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Today we are here celebrating 10 glorious years of our anniversary. We thank all our associate partners, customers and the trade partners from the bottom of our heart for the continuous support extended to us in these 10 years. TRAVELSMITH is a multi-dimensional destination management company. We have multiple verticals, segments to cater, starting with tour operator representation, where we represent some of the finest tour operators across India and globally. We represent few of the cruise liners, international cruise liners, and handle all their services at the Goa port. Third is the MICE segment, meeting incentive, conferences and exhibitions. We just not provide car rental, but we provide peace of mind to our clients. Our esteemed client recognizes our differential value which we add during the services what we extend. We have two more verticals which will be added in the end of 2022, which is again based on concept tourism.